Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Gold USD. Yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. As we all know, there was not much movement in the market this week. And as I've already mentioned in my earlier videos that volatility always shifts in the market, which means that market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. After the FOMC meeting, when the dollar became very strong and currency pairs the Euro USD, USD fell sharply and Gold USD also fell very sharply, then I told you clearly that market would be taking rest for 1 or 2 days, but market took rest for the whole week. And you can clearly see that market was trading in a tight range here. 1797 on the upside and 1763 on the downside. In your charting platform, you can clearly draw these two lines on the chart. And right now you can see that market is trading in a narrow range here. And if we switch to the weekly chart once, we remove the drawings. In the weekly chart also, we can see that market is trying to recover from this particular point here. And the only good thing about this chart is that after this huge sell-off, when market from this huge red candle, market did not cross the closing price. Rather, it tried to recover from the particular price level, or it tried to recover from the closing price of this red candle. Therefore, market is trying to form a temporary support here because if we look at the chart, then we know it pretty well that there is no proper support on the chart. There is no proper or any crucial or important support on the chart, because when the market fell sharply, almost all the important support levels were shattered or they were gone. Therefore, market is trying to form new support levels. Market is looking for new support level, and that is the good thing. Let's switch to the 4 hours time frame again and see what should be our strategy for Monday. So for Monday, let the market open and just observe the price. If you see that market is trading in this range only, then you should not trade. This is your no trading zone. As I always say, you should not chase the market. Okay, let the price come to you. And in a market condition like this, when there is not much movement or when there is no movement at all, then it becomes very hard for a trader to make money. Therefore, avoid gold USD as long as it is trading in this range, because this is your no trading zone. You should not trade on Gold USD as long as it is trading here, and you can clearly mark this level in your charting platform. So in this chart, only two important levels are important for us right now. The first level is this 1797 on the upside, and this is the resistance for the market right now. So if market crosses this level on Monday, okay, listen to me carefully. If market crosses this level on Monday, then just observe the price, how the price is doing. If you see that market has crossed the level with good amount of volume, if you see the bulls have the strength, then only you can go for buy order. But keep in mind one thing, market is respecting this particular level as a resistance for whole 1 week. Therefore, if market crosses also this level, let the market settle for at least 4 to 6 hours. Let the market trade above the resistance for 4 to 6 hours and just observe the price. If you see that price is trading comfortably above the resistance, price is not struggling, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, it is a breakout and you can go for buy order. Once you get the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support, now you can easily go for buy order above this level. But you need to get the confirmation first. So only buy if market trades comfortably above this level for 4 to 6 hours, then it is a buy order. On the other hand, if market crosses this level 1763 on the downside, then also you need to get the confirmation. If you see that market is market is witnessing some heavy selling pressure, if you see that market has crossed the support level with good volume, then only short the market. If you see that there is not much volume in the market, then do not short the market. Always remember one thing: price sorry if price is the king, then volume is the queen. If price is the king, then volume is the queen. You need the support of volume also. So if market crosses this support level with volume, then only short the market. And do not short the market right away. Wait for at least 4 to 6 hours and just observe the price. As I always say, confirmation is important. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours selling pressure is still there in the market is being under the dominance of the sellers, you can short the market. Otherwise, do not short the market. And you have clearly understood, as long as market is trading in this range, this is your no trading zone. You should not trade here. If you are a scalper, if you have got good experience in trading, then you can go for scalping. Okay. You can go for buy order here. You can short the market here if you see some price rejection. But if you're a beginner, then this is your no trading zone. If you are an experienced trader, then only buy and sell at the resistance and support levels. You know what to do. Okay. But if you're a beginner, if you cannot afford to lose any money, if you're looking for safe opportunities, then either look for breakout above this level or below this level. These two are the only safe trading opportunities for you right now. And if we look at the chart of dollar index, then we can clearly see that after these huge massive candles, dollar went for a pullback, and I have clearly discussed and told you in my previous video that dollar will go for a pullback and it will try to go up again. And right now, if we look at the present setup of dollar index, then you can see that it has formed 3 doji candles with good price rejection from below, which means that dollar is not ready to go down that easily, and it looks like the dollar will be going up. If any bad news doesn't come out, then dollar will try to go up, and if dollar starts going up again, then the price of gold will fall. So let's look at the market opening on Monday, and also keep your eyes on the price of dollar index. If dollar starts going up, the price of gold may fall. So let the market open on Monday and see where the price opens and how the price reacts. You've clearly understood. If you are a beginner, wait for a breakout above this level or below this level. If you are a pro trader, you can buy here or short here. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday.